channel. This is your teacher vlogger tour guide, Janice Mantes 25, Philippines. Live here on a cruise in Bangkok, Thailand. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will ride on a cruise tonight with my visitor. I will meet her for the first time. I'm inside the taxi and I am going to the port of the cruise. So it's just very near guys, so I'm here right now. They call this place River City Mall, or you can call it Chao Phraya. Okay, so most of the passengers will ride on a cruise or go to this place. This is called River City in Bangkok. Chai. It's not the River City, so it's not there. So I am going now to the river walk. I think this is another agency. I don't know. It's already 6:15 and supposedly we have to meet by 6. I don't know if I can still catch the dinner cruise. Hopefully I ride on a tuk-tuk because it's faster. Amazing talaga tong ano dito. Someone wants to fool me. Motorcycle driver, he asked for 150 baht and it's just only 10 or to 15 minutes going there, di ba? Ay naku, nakakainis talaga itong bang time eh. Akala nila maluloko nila. 10 minutes more. Hopefully I can get there on time para maka-join pa ako sa dinner. Riding on a tuk-tuk is really life and death experience. Super scary. It says in my Google map guys, 4 minutes more. So hopefully this is really true. 4 minutes more. Oh, it's already 6:30 guys and I don't know. I think they're waiting for me right now. Nakakahiya. At last, I'm here with this beautiful girl. What's your name? Me. Ayan, si Ate Rowena.
Yes, I'm from Philippines, Kababayan.
She's from Cagayan de Oro.
No, Cotabato.
Ay, Cotabato City.
My new friend, very beautiful.
Yeah, she's so beautiful too.
We almost lost our...
Grabe ang experience namin ngayon. From my travel going to this place, to the booking ticket and everything. So we're still waiting for the cruise. Nag-traffic pa. We're here in Yudpiman River Walk. That's the agency where Ate Rowena bought the ticket, and it's 900 baht each. But if you will buy here, it's so expensive.
1,500.
Yes, 1,500 baht. So it's better to book online first before you come here.
I can't do anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down.
And so anyway guys, this will be my 3rd time riding on a cruise. The cruise is here and we're ready.
I'm the one for a good time, call phones blowing up, ringing my doorbell. I feel the love, feel the love.
We're off to the cruise now. Hungry. Wala kami ibang gagawin kundi kakain lang kami. Kun ka. Wow. We're on the cruise now and it's really super nice. Look at our backgrounds. Hey, how are you feeling?
I'm very cold. I feel cold.
Yan, hindi daw siya makabanat kasi may sakit siya. Pero if makita nyo ang food guys, ay. Makita nyo talaga. So I will show you the foods what we have tonight. Look guys, the one who's performing is also a Filipina. Say hi sa akong vlog, tika, dali lang. Sandali lang. Say hi. Davao po. Yes, she's our singer. Anong name mo, te?
Lorraine.
Lorraine. Okay, we'll listen to Lorraine later. Okay, thank you.
Sawadee ka! Good evening everybody and welcome to Riverstar Princess on this beautiful Monday evening.
Show you guys the dancers a while ago, so they're here. Hi in YouTube. So they're so beautiful. Look, so they're all Thai and they're the dancers here in the cruise. Beautiful. Tukon, suway makloy. Okay. And guys, so I'm here in front of the cruise and we stopped over here. Look at my back. It's so beautiful. This is a very big bridge. Ang ganda. This is the front of the cruise, guys. Look. Ganda, diba? Hopefully I can go there in front and take some pictures. And guys, so it's so windy out here, wherein you can see a beautiful view of the Chao Phraya River. Anyway guys, this river is called Chao Phraya River. Filipino friends here.
From Bicol!
Oh, Bicol!
Dragon!
Taga-asa mo?
Bicol! Bicol!
Okay, thank you. So many different cruises here and they offer different prices. Bahala sila, hindi nila appreciate. Basta enjoy kami. Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, so we're back here in Udpiman here, guys. So thank you so much for being with us. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Ate Rowena, for the treat. Next time again.
Enjoy!
So, yeah, we enjoyed it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the red button below with the bell button. Thank you. Bye-bye.